show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with RPGSHOW. Once more, you know, we love a good RPGSHOW package. So it's the same packaging as usual. So this is the box. Alright. So we're gonna see what we got inside. So before I get into the wig, I got my little, information card here with just details on the wig that we're working with today. Everything is always so nicely packaged. Alright, so in today's package, I got a flyaway tamer. I got 2 of these wig absorber. It's a wig deep conditioner. Love getting these. I got a pair of wig caps and another magazine. And lastly, I got a RPGSHOW bag, perfect for storage. You guys know the vibes. So yeah. So the wig we're working with for today, guys, as you can see, got Yaki straight wig. So you can see that it's more textured. It's a Yaki straight wig. It's 18 inches. It's a 13 by 6 glueless lace front. As usual, you know, this is it's a tinted transparent Swiss lace. The whole mid portion is 13 by 6, and then on the sides it's not as deep. And on the inside we have 3 combs, and there's an extra adjustable strap in the inside, like in the middle portion of the cap, as well as the back. And you see how nicely customized the lace is. The hairline is also nicely pre-plucked, so that looks good. And be sure you don't have to go in and bleach or tint this any further. It's already perfectly done for you, and I love the color job. It's beautiful. The blonde portions are not like brassy, it looks really nice and flawless. It's a nice center part vibe, and it even came with some layers, so that is really cute. I can't wait to go ahead and install this. And they are good for glueless wigs, so you can go ahead and install this glueless if you wish. No adhesive whatsoever. So I'll show you guys that way of installation, as well as if you wish to go ahead and just get everything nice and secure with glue. So let's get into it. Okay, let's go. I just did a ball cap method. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the strap on the inside as well to apply the wig. So I'll slip that on first. And that really helps the wig to be really snugged. As I said, this is a really nice glueless wig. RPG specializes in great glueless wigs. So if you're looking for something where you don't have to invest too much time in application, this is one of those wigs. This is perfect for that. So that looks good. The hair feels super strong and thick, so that is amazing. So as you can see, the ear portion, it's too long, so nothing that I can't fix. I just go around. You can just measure it up and just cut off the excess, and it fits perfectly. So what I'm gonna do is take my time to carefully cut away the excess lace. And you can see right off the bat how blendable the lace is, as usual. So that's the reason why, that's how realistic everything looks. Hence why it can be a glueless wig. It's very nice and snug, and the lace is very blendable. It's undetectable. Put away the excess lace, and that's how we looking. Looks really good. See? Same thing on this side. Super good. And so if you want hair to stay more put, like the ear portion, you could just use a little bit of your like fix-it spray. You got to be spray and tack it. Like you could just tack this area just a little bit, blow dry it on cool air, and it will stay put, and you don't need nothing else. But the lace, where is it? Where is it? Super nice. So I just want to show you guys how far back the parting goes. You get a nice deep parting space, so you can do that nice bust down middle part.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you, yeah, I can show you. Yeah.
So one thing I'll point out, I am getting shedding. For sure, I am getting shedding. So you can bear that in mind, like I definitely am. You know, getting a little bit more than I would like today, but this is processed as well, so I'll cut them some slack, but I wish it was a little less. But the texture of the hair feels so good. So yeah, this is how we're looking. It lays super flat with little effort. Okay, little effort, because I only went over the top here. I didn't have to go through it thoroughly and like get my hot comb to go through it. This is with absolutely no adhesive. This is how the hair looks without me running back through it with my flat iron. It's super nice and flowy, and everything looks good. See, now that I show you guys the wig glueless, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply some glue. This is totally optional because this is a glueless wig. You guys know I'm always giving you the option for more convenience and stuff. But I want to wear this a little, you know, for a couple days. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some glue. I'm just gonna do like light layers, 2 light layers of glue. Yeah, so I'm gonna just fast forward through this, and yeah.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you, yeah, I can show you, yeah.
So that looks really good. I'm just further melting down, you know, the lace, and it's so easy to like work with. It's so easy to work with because you already see how good it is glueless. So you can just imagine how, you know, hassle-free it is to, you know, actually glue it down. So all I'm gonna do is pretty much go through the entire hair with my flat iron to just get it bone straight. That is what I'm gonna do right now. Probably just be a little bit more, and you could literally part it anywhere within the 13×6 area if you wish. So you could do like a nice deep side part, you see, and that will look so nice as well. So feel free to go ahead and explore with just styling it and stuff.
Every night, chasing dreams, ain't got
guys install. Shout out to RPGSHOW once more. See, no swoops. I just did a little sideburn there. No swoops. The hair is absolutely stunning. That movement is super nice. The highlight always make the look a little bit more fun. It's really nice. I love the deep part. I always love a good deep part. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. Let me know what you guys think about this look. It's, you know, giving a little bit of like boldness with the blonde streaks, but it's still minimalistic, you know, and I love a good, you know, top tier quality kind of lace front, and this is that. That's what RPGSHOW always gave. I 10 out of 10 recommend this wig if you're looking for this type of texture, because as I said, this is a kinky straight, super flowy. The back, most of the hair is a 1B color, and then it just has this little pop of blonde in the front. So yeah, it's real nice. It is real nice. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments. Also check out my description box for the direct link to this wig as well as the specifications. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.